today.
This is Joy sewing for the Houston Chronicle.
Contact Roberts Air for all your heating and cooling needs. Whether you need repair, service, or installation, remember.
What is going on, guys? Today we are going to be taking a look at the absolute funniest clips on the internet, and we're going to be trying not to laugh. Guys, it's going to be a real challenge, so stick around for this fun ride because this is Top Things.
Don't stop. Don't stop. He's gonna try to sell us plants.
Hi, I'm Stu, and nothing is as easy as easy.
Gentle with your beak. Yes. Good job, Bowen.
That's her butt. Don't touch.
These two videos lined up so perfectly and truly hit all the emotional buttons.
Ice cream? 早上好，中国！现在我有冰淇淋。
Thank you for the happiest year of my life.
Paper sheet or kisses.
Ice cream?
It's simple. You just gotta kick, man. No, that's weak. That's weak. Watch out. Watch out. She'll show you how to stuff. Look at this. Heels to the wall, legs straight and together. Thank you. You come down. See? It's just like that. You gotta kick.
Here are 6 ways that you can use rollerblades on trampolines. Number 1, don't. All right, you got me?
Bro, I got you. I've done this a million times.
Okay.
Oh, wait!
Let me tell you something about rollerblades and trampolines. Yo, it actually works. Oh, God.